False news has become all too common on social media.
More alarming, some media outlets publish these things that simply aren't true without checking facts first.
Unfortunately, some members of the media use their platforms to push their own personal bias and agenda to control exactly what people think, and this is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Why is it that group thinking can make people change their perception and believe something in clear violation of reality and science? Asch conformity experiments in the 50s studied how individuals yielded or defied a majority group and the effect of such influences on belief, opinions, and perception. Groups of 8 male college students participated in a simple perceptual task. In reality, all but one of the participants were actors, and the true focus of the study was about how the one person would react to the 7 actors' behavior. 7 actors were introduced to the one as other participants. All the participants were shown 2 cards, one with a single line and one with 3 lines A, B, and C. One of these lines was identical to the line on the first card. The others were clearly longer or shorter. Each participant was then asked to say aloud which line matched the length of the line on the first card. The 7 actors were instructed to give incorrect answer on some trials and correct on others. The group was seated such that the one participant always responded last. The experiment showed that about 74% of the participants gave in to the group pressure regarding the answer, even if the group's answer was wrong. Only 26% did not give in to the group pressure. The fear of social exclusion in one form or the other makes 74% change perception of reality. Now change the 7 participants with 7 news agencies. If all of these 7 put forward the same claim in a clear violation of reality and science, then how would you respond? Well, according to the Asch experiment, 74% of a majority would change their opinions or perception in accordance with the news agencies. And that is thought-provoking. Actually, we see this in today's social debate. Just see what happened when the media and the authorities pushed the COVID vaccine narrative. Millions took an untested drug that now kills millions. A majority of people suffer from conformity. The media inflicted fear and silenced anyone who criticized the narrative. 74% changed their perception. Only 26% was thinking critically. Other topics the media try to make you believe is that there are more than 2 sexes. And a lot of people believe it. Somehow, if somebody wants to change sex, there are only 2 options, male and female. Other topics are the climate debate. The media want you to believe that unless the 0.04% of CO2 in the atmosphere is reduced, we are all going to die. And when you know that humans are responsible for 3% of all CO2 emission, it is just ridiculous scaremongering. They want to change your perception to believe that the gas plants are depending on is poison. They even want you to believe a cow fart is dangerous. Is this because they want you to eat artificially produced meat? And according to Asch experiment, a majority out there will believe this out of fear of social exclusion. There are many other examples how media and other groups try to change your perception, to believe something in clear violation of both reality and science. Just see the election in United States of America, the war in Ukraine, the war started by Hamas terrorists, mass immigration to Europe and USA. Most of these attempts to distort your perception is based on emotion and not science or reality. They play on fear. The emotional aspect is also seen in how some claim they are humiliated or offended by reality, science, and free speech. Asch conformity experiment, in combination with Zimbardo's prison experiment, where uncontrolled power brings out evil forces, and Milgram's obedience experiments, explain much of the psychology behind group pressure that leads to the behavior of changed perception and opinion. It is about time more people start to think critically and question the media narrative and challenge the crazy woke emotional narratives. Media and others try to make you believe by manipulating your emotions. Have a nice day.